operations management, and it is about the process design. So we know what is process design. Earlier we have discussed about the product design. So product, what are the key concepts that are to be included in product designs? So when a customer, from the customer point of view, so when he or she is looking for a product, they will be, their first foremost thing is like quality. So there should not be any quality compromise. But when we compare with the process design, so implementing the hierarchy of the product design, it does not match with the process design. So process design will be entirely different. So its core components is it should scale up the operations, and as well as we have to think about the raw materials, and as well as the labor and all the financial things that is very important for process, and which process will be completed first. Suppose for example, if you imagine we have three process 1, 2, 3. So what is the time required to complete the first process, and what is the time required to complete the second, so and third. So the time required for process 1 will not be exactly same as the process 2. So depending upon the need of the customers, depending upon the customer feedback and preferences, we will be molding, and the R&D will be concentrating on bringing out the changes in the product. So all these can be incorporated, and based on that the process design will be implemented. So today now we are going to discuss a case on the Harvard business case study, and now Madhumita will discuss on the key concepts of this case.
Of the case study. First two steps: process mapping and capacity and bottleneck. First, process mapping. First step is the process flow. Example process of 4 steps: cutting fabric, sewing extracts, packing and shipping. Helps visualize workflow and inventory, raw material, WIP and finished goods. Capacity and bottlenecks. Capacity is equal to maximum output a process can produce. Each step has different speeds limit. Overall production. Bottleneck, slowest step 3 in this case, even if other steps are faster. Total output is limited by the bottlenecks. Next example have to explain again.
So example of the case study. Example of the case study. Capacity 160 shirts weeks, overall capacity 160. Third one, utilization and cycle timing. Utilization, how much of capacity is actually used. Cycle time, time between producing 2 units. Bottleneck has highest utility 100%, longer cycle time. Loading balance, goal, reduce bottleneck pressure by task. Tasks are shifted between workers to balance workload. Uses task time, required place based on the demand. The result will explain by Kumran.
In result, capacity increased from 160, then 180% per week is produced. Process can now meet the demand. Setup and time and batching. Setup time is equal to time spent preparing before production. Batching equal to processing multiple items together.
Impact: setup time reduces efficiency. Larger batches, reduce setup frequency, increase waiting time and inventory. Little's law used to calculate process performance. I is equal to R into T, where I was an inventory, R was throughput rate, T was throughput time.
Insights: more inventory is equal to longer waiting times. Insights: more inventory is equal to longer waiting time, helps measure how long a product takes to complete. Main takeaways: always map the process first, identify and improve the bottleneck, use load balancing to increase efficiency, minimize setup time and unnecessary inventory, apply a Little law to understand the delays.
So the final insights for this case study is the case shows that the improving operations is not just about addressing resources, it's about optimizing the process designs for the better efficiency, capacity and responsiveness.
So to conclude the case, so we have discussed about the key concepts and the examples, and based on the examples, Kumaran has explained the what will be the outcome, that is the insights, and the follow-up, like we had what will be the outcome of exact process design. So that's all about. We will conclude this case.